Hi everyone, we're going to start our next lesson and we're going to be talking about and looking at pop art. And pop art is the name of a style of artwork that was created in the 50s and 60s. Pop artists were inspired by comic books and advertising and everyday products. We'll take a look at some pop artwork, some by Andy Warhol and others by Roy Lichtenstein. But we're going to be making some pop art of our own. And the first thing you're going to do is you're going to get whatever color paper you like. I'm going to be using green. And we're going to do some printing. You're going to take bubble wrap, and I'm going to put some paper down to protect the paper underneath. And I've already printed with this. But we're going to print the bubble wrap so it is like dots in the background. Pop artists like to use pixelated images. When you look at a pixelated image really up close, all you see are a bunch of dots. So you're going to take the ink on a brayer and you're just going to roll black paint over the bubble wrap. And we don't want to pop the bubbles. The bubbles are there to make dots. So then, whatever color paper I'm using, I'll set that down, take my bubble wrap, place it on top, and just gently press. Again, you don't want to pop the bubbles. You want to print with the bubbles. All right, when you think you've rubbed it well enough, I'm going to lift it up, and you get some dots. All right, I've already done another one. I'm going to set this aside. The next thing you're going to get is a colored piece of paper. I've already jumped ahead. You're going to take a marker or a pencil to start with, whatever you're comfortable, and you're going to be making this kind of like a burst. And then you're going to cut that burst out. So let me move that aside. So now you have your pixelated paper. You have your burst cut out, and now you're going to take another color that looks good with these, and you're going to just cut some strips. So we're thinking about comic strips, and you know where it says like pow or bang or boom. Those are the words that we think of when we're making this burst. So you can see how we set it up, and then of course we have to glue everything in place. Now, the next step is not part of this video, but the next step is we are going to make a word. You're going to choose from a list of words that I'm going to give you, and you're going to write that really big, and I'm going to help you with it. I'll make another video on how to do the lettering. We're going to color that, and then that word is going to get cut out and placed here. But these are the first two steps for our next project on pop art.